welcome to the Foodie. I'm Kunal Vijaykar. It is that festival that comes once a year that is close to the heart of the whole of Maharashtra and to the whole of India. Yes, it's Ganesh Chaturthi and we say Ganpati Bappa Moria. He is the Lord of success and destroyer of evils and obstacles. He is also worshipped as the god of education, knowledge, wisdom and wealth. He is the personification of the material universe in all its various magnificent manifestations. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Yes. The Lord of beginnings and good fortune is here. And every nook and corner of the city is drenched with celebrations, excitement, and enthusiasm. Streets and pandals are bustling with devotees as religious fervor and gaiety marks the prestigious Ganesh festival. So let's start this episode with a special treat. I'm inviting all of you all to my family home to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. So come along and join me and my family.
Hi, Kunal.
Rahul, how are you?
Welcome.
Hi. Everybody meet my cousin Rahul. Rahul,
Hi, Kunal.
his wife Devika, and this is Krish, and this is a home I've been coming to since I was born for Ganpati every year. Yeah. Anything special this year, Rahul?
Well, I mean, it has to go traditionally. So every year we do the same thing again and again for hundreds of years.
And I'm very happy that you're wearing this pagdi.
This is a turban related to our Pathare Prabhu community. I'm sure you must be having one at home.
I've lost mine, but
Yeah,
I used
so
to have one.
It's a very old one which came from my grandfather.
So this is actually your grandfather's.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. So tradition is being kept as closely as possible in today's day and age. And I know you're busy, so we're going to watch while you start the puja,
Yeah, we'll start
Ganpati
the puja
puja,
now.
and we'll all take darshan. The Velkar house is busy with preparations. There is a lot of excitement, enthusiasm, and care taken in arranging everything for the puja. This is one of those special moments that come every year, which I spend with my family, and it has been a tradition for as long as I can remember. The whole family is gathered for the tradition, which is over 100 years old. From young boys and girls to the elders, and especially the ladies, who come out in colorful traditional attire. It is a sight to see. There is a feeling of joy and togetherness. Okay, so this is the Naivedya, the food that is going to be shown to the gods. Devika, food is very important for Ganpati.
Very important, and Ganpati is the god of food. He's a foodie himself, and his stomach also, it depicts prosperity and appetite. Not only for this good food, but it also means appetite for taking all the experiences in life, the good experiences and bad experiences. Both he can take.
So basically, a very, very happy god.
Happy god. Yes.
Happy god. So first we feed Ganpati Bappa, and then Devika is going to feed us. Okay?
जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर फणिवर वंदना सरळ सोंद वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना रामाचा वाटा हे सजना संकष्टी पावावे निर्वाणी.
It's time to eat, and only the lucky get to eat in the thali that the Naivedya is served in. And Rahul and me have attacked both these thalis. Rahul?
Yeah.
Huh? Chalo, let's start eating. Modak. No Ganpati celebration complete without modaks. The Ganpati celebration at your house has always been the same.
Yeah.
And when we look at the murti or the idol, it's a little different from the murtis and the idols one is used to see.
Yeah, that predominantly made in the Velkar family.
Okay.
Krish also makes Ganpatis, and since he's so fond of cricket, you saw that.
We saw those Ganpatis.
Yeah, those Ganpatis are all as cricketers and batsmen, bowlers.
This is nice. This green peas with shirare, with puris, brilliant. Very nice.
Try this is the pathwad.
My favorite are these potatoes. Typical to the Pathare Prabhu community, the Maharashtrian community of Pathare Prabhus. It's a spicy potato dish, but called goda. It is very good. It's nice, it's hot, spicy, and varan bhat and toop, which is yellow dal with white rice and
Clarified butter.
ghee. There's one more thing over here which is terribly unusual and very delicious. It's called the ananasasa sambare.
Yeah, this is a curry made with pineapple and coconut milk. It's sweet and spicy. I mean, there's little bit of chili. It's a very typically Pathare Prabhu
dish. Yeah. But it's a fantastic combination because you've got the sweetness of the pineapple, a little bit of spice because of the red chili powder,
and
green chili as well,
yeah.
a little bit, and then coconut milk. Wow. It's a great meal. Fantastic. I'll end this with one modak. We started this wonderful day, this day of Ganesh Chaturthi with the family. Now, what you also do during this time is visit friends, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So come with me, I've got a surprise in store. Let's go.